Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Carl's Garage, and today I'm going to tell you guys, do not pay for your engine recall. Whenever you bring it in, you should not be getting charged any money to get your car looked at for its engine recall. Okay, so if you guys don't know, my name is Straight Outta Content. That's my big channel. Please go over there and subscribe. That's where predominantly most of my Kia engine settlement videos are. But my channel is now about my business, which is Flash Custom Transfers, and we're the biggest manufacturer of DTF in the country. So I still get a lot of messages from a lot of the videos that I created for 2-3 years now about the engine settlement, about the Kia engine settlement going on with Hyundai and Kia engines, and how you guys have these cars just like mine. I have one too. I'm in the exact same boat as you guys, and the engines are blowing and all types of things are happening to them, and you guys aren't being compensated. You're stuck with cars that you can't trade in. You're stuck with cars that you can't drive, and they're charging you to diagnose it, and then they're denying you your free engine. So please, here at Carl's Garage, share. I'm gonna be doing all my Kia engine settlement content right here at Carl's Garage. So today's video is about letting you know, because I just got off the phone with my local Kia dealership, which is Beck & Maston, and they have been amazing. Ever since I first found out about the Kia engine settlement and about how these engines, these Theta 2 engines from 2011 to 2019, the 2 liters and the 2.4 liters have a rod bearing issue, and I can show you right here. I'm not gonna show you the information, but if you look right here, she has a diagnostic testing done. Please inspect found engine to be knocking from connecting rod bearings, and they charge her $191. That was done at a dealership in Conroe, at a Kia dealership in Conroe. She unfortunately took in her car and just told them something's wrong with my engine. When I called my Beck & Maston dealership, they told me, oh man, unfortunately, there could be a chance where the dealership would charge you based on what you told them was wrong. But what I did, I called my Beck & Maston dealership, and I said, hey, listen, I'm calling about the recall. I have the VIN number on my Kia. Can you tell me if there's any open recalls? Easy, it's the most smoothest process ever. She was like, give me the VIN number, gave me the VIN number. There happens to be 2 recalls on Miss Sharon's Kia. The other dealership didn't tell her that there was 2 recalls. This dealership, Beck & Maston, was because I knew what to say. They were like, yes, there's 2 recalls, bring it in. Is there anything going on with it? I said, yes, well, unfortunately, there is. There's a little bit, the engine is not working. I think it's due to the rod bearings. She said, okay, well, that falls under the recall. I said, well, I have a piece of paper here from a dealership in Conroe where they said where they charged Miss Sharon $191. She said, no, if it has to do with the recall, you should not be charged. So this is the tip that I'm giving you guys. When you have a problem with your Hyundai or Kia from 2011 really to 2023, but the difference is the 2011s to 2019, 2020 engines, 2 liter, 2.4 liter, what is going on? They're going to save another Kia. They're going to save another Kia or Hyundai. But yes, 2 liter, 2.4 liter, or the 2 liter hybrid. Those engines right there, right? They have the rod bearing issue from 2011 to 2019. Yeah, 19 or 20. After that, the new engines that they came out with have a piston ring recall. So you are not safe. Whatever year Kia or Hyundai that you own, there is an active recall on that engine if you have the 2 liter, 2.4 liter, or hybrid engine. So what I want to tell you guys is, listen, before you take your vehicle to the dealership, first step, call your local official. It cannot be touched by another mechanic. If it's touched by another mechanic, they're gonna deny you, just like they did her. And her car wasn't even touched by another mechanic, but she didn't go in telling them that the situation was related to the recall. So I need you guys to pay very close attention to what I'm saying. You have to go in, right? Oh, let's get the car in the background. You have to go in, under the pretenses that it's a recall issue. So step number 1, call your local dealership. Ask them, hey, does my car have the KSDS? Does it have an open recall on it? That's the first thing you need. My car has the KSDS. It has the knock sensor detection software update, and I have all these videos on Straight Outta Content if you want to know more information, but I will be doing more here on Carl's Garage. Make sure your car has that software update. They will deny you if it doesn't. I'm telling you, they will deny you. They're not supposed to deny you, but they will. They've done it right here. If they had tested that car and her car had the KSDS, they probably still would have denied her, but she would have had an argument to say, hey, no, my car has the update, you have to replace the engine. Same thing with mine. My car has the update. If anything goes wrong with it and the dealership says, no, it failed due to this, I'm gonna say, nope, I've got all my paperwork, I've got every oil change I filmed and I changed myself, and then I also have the update. You're not gonna deny me. But Beck & Massey isn't gonna deny me. But after you do that, then you might have to bring in your vehicle. If it can drive, great. If it's in limp mode and it can make it there, great. If not, then you're gonna have to pay for the tow. Now, are they supposed to reimburse you for the tow? Yes. Is that a guarantee? No, okay? But again, who cares about a $300 tow when you can get your engine replaced? I've successfully helped hundreds of people get their engines replaced. I helped my brother in California get his engine replaced. I helped my wife's little cousin, Trey, he got his engine replaced. Yes, I've helped many, hundreds of people get their engines replaced, guys. Please take this information seriously. Get your engine replaced. Use the steps that I just told you. Call first. Hey, I have a Hyundai Sonata. I want to see if it has a recall. Don't even say that it's messed up or anything. Just say, hey, I want to see if it has a recall. Are there any open recalls due to my VIN number? Once they tell you that there is, based on your VIN number, and even if they don't, then just say, can I please schedule an appointment to get the KSDS on it? If your car is not working, then you need to call the dealership and let them know that, or you need to call the dealership and find out about the open recall. You need to get them to speak about, yes, there is an open recall based on my VIN number. So you need to call them just like I did and say, hey, I'm calling about my car and I wanna see, is there an open recall on my car? If they say yes, you now have a complete argument to get your engine replaced. And dealerships are really, the good dealerships they have no problem replacing the engine. It's these bad dealerships that will just take your money and kick you out knowing that your issue is due to an engine recall. So I hope I wasn't too long on this video. Guys, if you have any questions, please like, comment, and subscribe so that this video can be seen, because everybody's commenting on my Straight Outta Content videos and I don't answer Kia questions over there. I can't. My business is tied to the YouTube. The algorithm doesn't like whenever I do Kia videos. But this channel's brand new. I'm not even at 1,000 subscribers yet. So you guys can, and this channel's only automotive. So we need to get these videos out, seen to everybody out there so that I can help you. I'm back helping everybody. I have time in my business to where I can help people like this right here, get their engines replaced. Please allow me to help you by subscribing, hitting that like button so that the algorithm can share more of this content and you guys can get your engine replaced. Again, leave your comment down below and I will help you, okay? I will give you my Instagram and stuff like that, and I will personally do whatever I can, but please follow the steps in this video when calling your local dealership to get your engine replaced so that you do not have to spend $191 just to be told they can't get an engine replaced. Let's not do that, guys. Let's help everybody get their engines replaced, okay? I'm trying to create a small community of us who are gonna continue to give each other's information. I might even make a like a Reddit post or like a blog or something like that so that you guys can get your engine replaced. I really want to help everybody. Carl's Garage, don't forget that. Hey, Carl's Garage. I seen this guy named Carl's Garage. He can help you get your engine replaced, okay? All right, guys, be basic. Peace.